Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm back at Asiatique. It's nighttime now. So looks like they have information booth, shows, Winter Festival, New Year's Countdown, Thailand Countdown 2020. Another show, I don't know what this one is. Music, I guess. Music. And then this one is Muay Thai Live. And then if you go inside, you have all these markets. So we're gonna walk around and see. Oh, there's some Muay Thai right there. So let's just see. Just gonna walk through it a little bit. I think you've seen what markets look like, so we'll just show as much as we can around here. Food, mangosteens, and earlier today I have another video where I walked it in the daytime. It was quiet in the heat of the day. It was probably 1:30 p.m. But it's so interesting to see. Some stuff is still here though. If you want to see what it looks like from those two times, you can. Hello. So let me just see. We're gonna walk into the mess of everything in here. So yeah, it looks like just a lot of shopping for sure. Just kind of walk down a smaller path. So you can buy all kinds of typical stuff here. And we're gonna head back out again. I'd like some stuff. Okay. Pepsi and Coke. So let's see. Thank you. Mango. Those look pretty good. I don't know what this is. Maybe for a movie set? Is there some kind of train track? Oh, this is probably a historical train track. Alright. So you get a little bit of a feel for this area anyways. I'm going to turn off the camera a little bit. Hey, some mangoes here. Mango buffet. Oh, durian, sorry. Durian buffet. Okay. A lot of restaurants here. We got a cat right there. Let's go in and get it. So let's just see here. So we're gonna explore. Sorry. There's a waterfront out here too, so we're gonna walk towards that. Nice restaurants. Warehouse, I guess this used to be a warehouse district. Oh yeah, actually I was reading it earlier. This was Calypso, Bangkok, okay. Full moon too. I was reading about it earlier. It's used to be where the, I think it was a warehouse district too, but it's also where Air Force Base used to be. Japan. Japan military base, sorry. Got some music here too. Okay. Lots of shopping everywhere. Keep on exploring. We're gonna go all the way down and we're gonna go to the waterfront. And actually at waterfront, you can actually take water taxis, boat taxis, and get different places. So see more live music here. Happy Fish. I don't know if it's live music. It's definitely music though. Oh no, live music over here. It's pretty cool. Go.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,